everyone, welcome back to my channel Code with Neha. So today I am back with yet another interesting topic. Hope you all will like it. So without any further delay, let's get started. In my previous video of MySQL series, I have discussed about any and all operator in MySQL. You can check the video from the above I button. Today I am going to discuss about exists operator in MySQL. So without any further delay, let's get started. MySQL exist operator. The exist operator is used to test for the existence of any record in a subquery. The exist operator returns true if the subquery returns one or more records. Exists syntax. Select column names from table name where exists within bracket select column name from table name where condition. Let's understand this with some practical examples. Today I am using same tables, orders and products under ordered product 123 database. First query is to select list of product name having unit less than 10 only if it exists. So the query will be select product name from orders where exists within bracket select product name from products. Here the alias for orders table will be O and alias for products table will be P. So where exists within bracket select product name from products P where O dot product name equals to P dot product name and unit is less than 10. Here the two tables have product name and product ID in common. So writing product name as condition. But it's convenient to use product ID as common condition. So we will use this in our next query. Run the query for result. Second query is query to select list of product name and product ID having supplier ID more than 405 only if exists. So the query will be select product name product ID from orders alias O where exists within bracket select product name from products P where O dot product ID equals to P dot product ID and supplier ID is more than 403. Run the query to see the result. That's it for today. Hope you all will get some help from this video. If it's so, then don't forget to subscribe my channel Code with Neha and press the bell icon for regular updates. See you in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay happy.